Hello friends, welcome to Agri Exam. In this session, we will discuss some important agricultural current affairs from February month, and this session it will be very important for all your upcoming agri competitive exams. So without any delay, let's start this session. Question number first: how much amount has been approved by the government for the Startup India Seed Fund scheme? The options are rupees 1215 crore, rupees 945 crore, rupees 915 crore, rupees 815 crore. The correct answer it is option B, rupees 945 crore. It is the amount which has been approved by the government for the Startup India Seed Fund scheme. Question number second: how many additional minor forest produce atom they were included in the minimum support price list by the Ministry of Tribal Affairs? The options are 14, 18, 13, 12. The correct answer it is option A, 14 additional minor forest produce atom they were included in the minimum support price list by the Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Question number third: World Wetlands Day it is observed every year. The options are February 4, February 1st, February 2nd, February 3rd. The correct answer it is option C, February 2. The World Wetland Day it is celebrated every year on February 2nd. It is celebrated to raise the global awareness about the vital role of wetlands for people and our planet. Moving towards question number 4, which state has set up a botanical garden named Shivalik Arboretum? The options are Arunachal Pradesh, Tripura, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand. The correct answer it is option D. In Nainital district of Uttarakhand, first of its kind botanical garden named Shivalik Arboretum, it has been inaugurated for conserving over 210 species of trees which is found in the Shivalik range of Himalayas. Next question number 5. Which state government has launched the Har Ghar Pani Har Ghar Safai mission? The options are Punjab, Haryana, Bihar, Sikkim. The correct answer it is option A. Captain Amrinder Singh, the Chief Minister of Punjab, actually initiated the Har Ghar Pani Har Ghar Safai mission. This is the task of the government campaign which aims to achieve 100% tap water supply for the rural household by March 2022. Next question number 6. The United Nations designated World Pulses Day it is observed on. Options are 9th of February, 10th of February, 11th of February, 2nd of February. The correct answer it is option B, that is 10th of February. In 2019, the General Assembly proclaimed 10th of February as the World Pulses Day. Next question number 7. Theme of World Pulses Day 2021. The options are nitrogen fixing legumes for a sustainable future, nutritious seeds for a sustainable future, plant proteins for a sustainable future, and the last option it is love protein. The theme of the World Pulses Day 2021 was love proteins. Question number 8. The National Horticultural Fair 2021 has been organized in which city? The options are Mumbai, Chennai, Bengaluru, Kolkata. The correct answer it is option C. In Bengaluru, the National Horticultural Fair was organized. Question number 9. Who has inaugurated India's first CNG tractor? The options are Nitin Gadkari, Prakash Javadekar, Harshvardhan, Nirmala Sitharaman. And the correct answer is option A. Nitin Gadkari has inaugurated India's first CNG tractors. Question number 10. Which actor has signed in as the agricultural ambassador of the Karnataka state? Karnataka government. The options are Naga Chaitanya, Dhanush, Rajnikant, Darshan. The correct answer it is option D. The actor Darshan has been appointed as the ambassador of Agricultural Department to popularize the programs meant for farmers' welfare. Next question number 11. Indian city has received the recognition of the 2020 Tree City of the World. The options are Bengaluru, Chennai, Kochi, Hyderabad. The correct answer it is option D. Hyderabad it is the only city in India to achieve the 2020 Tree City of the World by the Arbor Day Foundation and Food and Agricultural Organization. Moving towards question number 12. Which date the Soil Health Card Day it is observed in India? The options are 16th of February, 18th February, 19th February, 20th February. The correct answer it is option C, 19th of February. Moving towards question number 13. Who is the author of the book titled Agricultural Acts 2020? Options are Suraj Govindraj, Krishna Kumar Rajan, A.K. Rajan, K. Shikri. The correct answer it is option C, Justice A.K. Rajan. He is the author of the book titled Agricultural Acts 2020. Moving towards our last question number 14. The Minister of Jal Shakti, Shri Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, has selected how many sites under phase 4 of Swachh Iconic Places? The options are 9, 10, 11, 12. The correct answer it is option D. 12 sites under phase 4 of Swachh Iconic Places were selected. Friends, this was all about important questions related to February month's current affair. For more such videos, stay connected with Agri Exam. Thank you.